Welcome to STYLEAPP. The future of fashion discovery is here. Experience fashion like never before, with generative AI bringing you a truly immersive and personalized journey. Getting started is easy. Sign up using Google, Apple, or your email. If you've already signed up, simply sign in to get started. Once you're in, upload your picture to your profile. It's an essential step to generate your try-ons. Welcome to your personalized fashion space. On the home screen, you'll find trending designs, recommendations curated just for you, and try-on posts from your friends, family, and the STYLEAPP community. React, like, or comment to join the conversation. Let's see how try-ons work. Pick a design you like, click on the try-on icon, and watch as your virtual try-on is generated in seconds. It's that simple. That looks fabulous. Share your try-on with your friends or style circle and get instant feedback. Swipe through posts from other users to explore more styles and inspiration. Planning your next weekend trip? Head to the Discover tab. Select the occasion and even your preferred mood and style. Instantly, you'll see a curated collection perfect for the occasion. Try the looks, share them, and get feedback from your friends. Once you know it looks great and everyone loves it, buy it with confidence. STYLEAPP makes fashion shopping a fun, interactive, and stress-free experience. STYLEAPP, redefining how you discover, try, and share fashion. Download STYLEAPP today and start your styling journey. Happy styling!